everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I create for you everyday look, easy look, work look, but believe me not, can be also if I go at night somewhere. We're gonna use beautiful eyeshadow palette from Bobbi Brown. Very surprisingly me, I really like quality of these eyeshadows. Why surprising me? Because we have here with you 4 shimmer eyeshadow and 1 matte. I'm almost 45, and usually when I go on the entire my eyelid with shimmer eyeshadows, they don't look good. But this one, I'm coming close to you, I want you to see. Don't give me any lines and wrinkles. Eyeshadow looks beautiful, no creepy eyelid. It shocked me how good this eyeshadow palette. Of course, I will list it below with all products I use, and let me make a swatch of this color. I'm gonna show you first these 3. It's a lighter color, it's like a light gold. Then we have a brown, soft bronzy brown color, and then we have like a little bit like orangey brown. Look at how buttery they are. They're so amazing. I'm serious, and I love them on my eyes. And now we have last 2. Again, it's like a bronzy, but it's darker brown. And now I have a matte. This is your matte eyeshadow. Can be look for you, for your mom, for your grandma, because it is easy to use. Please share this video and let's start. I will show you how first I kind of make my skin flawless and beautiful. And if you don't know, I'm very sensitive. I have a lot of pigmentation and discoloration, and I will show you some amazing product I use today. But just whole entire look, it's beautiful. If you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe, please give me thumbs up, just click right there. Okay, love you more, and let's start. Before we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette, let me take care of my skin. If you're new to my channel, I have a very sensitive skin. What I'm gonna do first, my skin a little bit dry right now, it's winter. I'm gonna use oil from La Mer. I really like it, it's sample, but this will give me hydration for my skin, and I'm right now combination too dry, and also will minimize my little bit lines and give me a nice beautiful glow. Then, because my skin is very sensitive, I'm gonna use KIEHL'S moisturizer goat milk. It's $76. I actually really like KIEHL'S all skincare brand. And for my eye area, I'm gonna use Avocado eye cream from KIEHL'S. I really like it, and it's have avocado oil, ophthalmologist test that you can put on your eyelid and under your eye. It's the most hydrating eye cream I ever tried. I don't remember price, but I knew it's very reasonable, and I will list it below. And if you can see, I have discoloration, pigmentation, and I have amazing primer. Which one will take care of this? Okay, let's do skincare first. skincare is done, and now I'm gonna use amazing product from Clarins, and it's SOS primer, and it's I believe we have 5 different, and if you want I can make a video for 5 different these primers, because the whole will say different address problem in your skin. But I choose number 3 coral for one reason, because I have pigmentation, discoloration, I have like acne scarring, and they not fade completely. I have this pigmentation, and this is primer. It's have little bit, let me show you. Oops, come on. Have a little bit like a peach color, and this will help me with pigmentation. Okay, let me show you. Look how beautiful and even right now this look, my skin looking, right? It's very pretty. Again, it's a primer, or you can mix actually with your foundation, and it just will even your skin and prepare for foundation. But again, you can mix with your foundation. This primer truly even my skin, believe me or not. I don't feel I even need full coverage foundation. And remember, I am a full coverage girl, but I still like see little bit my pores, Clarins foundation, even my skin, but I can still see my pores. And I'm gonna use actually NARS Pro Prime Instant Line Per Perfection products. Looks like a little lipstick, and this is where I have large pores. This is where I'm gonna apply, but you also can apply where you have expression line. And now I am ready for foundation, and for foundation I am gonna use my foundation from Clinique, even better, 15 SPF, medium to full coverage. To me it's pretty medium coverage. I need to use my Trish McAvoy brush to make me a full coverage looks like, but I just like it's don't heavy, even my skin, and my skin don't have any reaction. Even it's here, it's have 15 SPF, but my skin looks good. Foundation, it's done, skin looks really good. And let's put little bit concealer from NARS, color vanilla. It is full coverage, but if you want a little, you just need to apply little. If you want more coverage, you will just need to apply more. Concealer is done, and now I'm gonna use NARS powder, and it's translucent crystal color. It's white. It's like light to light medium color person can use this, as I do have a different colors. I'm gonna use my little puff here. I'm gonna use this powder. I'm gonna show you in my hand. You will not see anything, but this is the best blurring powder. I'm gonna first use little bit under my eyes. It's not gonna make my eye area dry or wrinkly. It just gonna set my concealer. But now I'm gonna use one more powder, and this is powder have colors. This is Laura Mercier, and this is Matte Radiance Baking Powder number Bronze 1. It will give you a glow, but it's not like shimmer, and it'll give me extra color. For my bronze, I have a sample Bobbi Brown bronze color medium, and I'm gonna use my NARS brush. looks great. What do you think, girls? If you like, before and after, give me thumbs up. I'm working very hard. Thank you so much for your like. It's kind of important. Okay, let's put blush. I'm gonna use blush from MAC. I really like. You can see it's whole here, and it's named Baby Blush. Oh, Blush Baby. It's a beautiful matte color. Now let's put little bit highlighter, and today I'm using MAC. And now let's take care of my eyes. First step, like always, eyeshadow primer from MAC. Let's start. This is this very pretty, very high quality eyeshadow palette. We're gonna start with this second color, and we're gonna use this is my middle color from this end to this end, and I'm using big blending brush. Again, this is will be like everyday look, simple look, beginner look. It just nothing go crazy. Again, if you look at all my videos, I do have somewhere like more intense, but it's not my favorites. I like to look natural, soft, like makeup, no makeup. Even this eyeshadow, it's shimmer, but it's not go too metallic or too like heavy. Let me actually probably bring camera close to you. Voila! I bring close to you because I want you to show you, I want you to see it's not showing any lines or wrinkles on me, because sometimes when eyeshadow metallic or it's have shimmer, it's actually bringing more lines and wrinkles, but not with this formula. Now we're gonna use this color, it's right here. It does have a little bit shimmer too. We have with you right now two colors, and they already look so pretty. Again, natural, absolutely in love with this formula. Let me know if you don't want to use the rest of colors, you can just put right now mascara, eyeliner, and you're good to go, because it's just already pretty. Now I have a flat brush, and we're gonna use this beautiful gold eyeshadow. Wow, it's popped my eyes, and it just looks so pretty. And I'm serious, this is such an amazing formula. And now I'm gonna use the sliders color in this palette. We're gonna put a little bit on the corner to pop my eye. And now it's time to make my eyes a little bit bigger. We're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow right here, and I'm gonna use underneath. And now I have a big blending brush, and I'm just gonna little bit soft this. And we're almost done with eyeshadow. I am gonna use again big blending brush, and it's a clean brush. I'm gonna apply, it's only one matte eyeshadow here. I'm gonna apply very little, and I'm just gonna put little bit on a corner to lift my eye. Just very soft. Voila, we almost done. Now I'm gonna put on my waterline underneath black eyeliner. I will curl my lashes, of course liquid eyeliner, and maybe false lashes, maybe not. Also, let me show you my little trick. I always have like a Q-tip with me, and I little bit kind of clean or dry my waterline, and then I will put eyeliner. And today I'm gonna use a NARS black eyeliner, and it's a high pigment blonde wearing eyeliner. Almost finished. Liquid eyeliner I have today from Urban Decay, and I'm just press to my lash line. Nothing crazy. Remember, we're getting ready for work. We're in a hurry, but we want to look good. And now I'm gonna use Lancome primer. It's my favorite primer. So, and today we'll see how we're gonna finish this, but I'm gonna use the volume mascara. I don't want to use false lashes because remember, we're getting ready for work. And I will use the Fenicel mascara on the bottom because it is sample and it's easy to apply. Oh yeah, this is such amazing mascara. It's my favorite volume mascara. And you can see a big difference. Because I'm Northern Beauty stylist, of course I want to look even more spectacular because I'm makeup artist, right? I'm gonna use my favorite shimmer eyeshadow from Bobbi Brown. It's Honeymoon, and I'm just gonna put on my little finger, and I'm just gonna put right here, and it's just so pretty. And this can be your daytime, this can be your nighttime. Okay, let's finish this look, and I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, Pillow Talk, and brand new lip color from Laura Mercier. It's number 103 Peak High Vibe lip color. It's my favorite right now lip formula. Girls, I'm serious. I think this is so beautiful on me, and this is will look on anyone. Looks so pretty, this color. I don't think we even need to put any lip gloss. It's just beautiful. Okay, bye everybody. Love you, and I will see you in my next video.